Environmental insulation began, let's say, back in 2008. I came in to work with my dad in pest control, and he was giving all the business away to other insulation companies when crawl spaces were bad from rodents and stuff. So I took it upon myself to start doing this myself. So I started out installing, bidding, doing all this stuff, and then I hired a couple guys, and then it just kind of took from there. Most of my employees have been here since the beginning, and I want to keep my employees there. I figure if you got a good employee and dedicated to you, he's going to put out a good product every day. So we try to treat everybody like family around here. Joe was out here last September, Joe Rico, and he brought up about Jeff and Amy wanting some help with their installers back there. Next thing you know, in a couple of weeks, we were in Montana with Jeff and Amy and spent 2 days there with Jeff and them. And spent a whole day training his guys, and it worked out really well. I would definitely recommend other CEEs reaching out to other members to discuss how you're doing things, how you're navigating through the everyday business world. You never know what you're going to get out of it. You may get something that goes good with your business. You may get a forever friendship. There's a lot of things you can get out of it.